and therefore we are through with your round. And the next choices that we have is venues and coaches, and it will be decided between the two teams. It is Shiroda this time because they were with the third highest score. Shiroda, it's your turn. What do you want to take? Venues. Okay. So your first question coming up for you, my friends. Look at the screen. Name the city of Arena Amazonia. If you don't have the answer, do you have it? You want to try? No negative marks. Okay, let me pass it on to Arpora. No.
Natal.
No. It's your chance. Okay, anybody from the audience? Say it loud. No. It's Manaus. It's Manaus is the right answer for this stadium, Arena Amazonia. Your next question, Shiroda, in the venues. Name the stadium in Porto Alegre. You have an answer? Can I pass it on to them at Arpora? Any answer that you have, my friends, from Aldona? For you, Para? I don't think it. Anybody from the audience? It's Estadio Beira Rio. Okay, let's look at a very simple question that's coming up next. Name the stadium used for the inaugural match of Brazil 2014. It's your question, Shiroda. Where the first match of the World Cup 2014 was played.
São Paulo.
It was at Sao Paulo, and that's the right answer. I know it's difficult for you to give the answer. It's Arena Corinthians. Arena Corinthians. Please put your hands together for Shiroda there for getting this right. And let me ask you another last question that remains for you. Name the stadium with the least capacity in the World Cup 2014. With the least capacity. Pass it on. Yes, Arpora. Do you have it, Aldona?
48 million.
That's also wrong. Otherwise, I would have tried giving you that marks. Anything with Para? The name of the stadium? It's Arena Baixada Curitiba with 41,000 capacity. It's Para now. The last questions. For them, you have no choice, but you have the coaches. You will have to take them for you. Name the coach of the Belgium team. Do you know it? We pass it on to Shiroda. Doesn't look like. Arpora. Do you have the answer, Aldona? Okay. It's Mark Wilmots of Belgium was the coach of the Belgium team. Mark Wilmots. The next question that's coming up to you, Para. Vincent Del Bosque has been the coach of Spain for how many World Cups? Do you know the answer, friends? Do you know the answer?
3.
I'm sorry.
2.
2. And which are they?
2010 and 2014.
2010 and 2014 Brazil, and it is in South Africa in 2010 and 2014 Brazil. Aldona gets points there. The third question coming up for you, friends. Jürgen Klinsmann of Germany coached the Dash team at the Brazil World Cup 2014. Jürgen Klinsmann, he's from Germany, but which team did he coach this year, this time? Can I? Okay, let me pass it on there to Shiroda. Okay, here, Arpora. Aldona.
USA.
USA is the right answer. USA is the right answer, and they get points for this. The last question that's coming up for you, name the coach of the German team. Yes? Joachim Löw is the right answer, and that's the points that Para scores in this round. And so we are through with round number 3. But let's look at the scores at the last, before we get into the last round.
Arpora, your score is 30. Aldona, you're 49. Para, you're 18. And Shiroda, 23.
Thank you. It's 49 that Aldona is leading right now. And very closely, 30 is Arpora. I'm sure Shiroda can catch up with them. And also Para is quite close, 18. We are looking at the last round, the stoppage time round. And we are going to have the rules on the screen right now. This is the last set of questions that are going to come up to all of you, friends. Okay? So it is, we will explain to you the rules as it comes on the screen. The rules are as follows. Questions will be asked from a set of 5 to be answered in 1 minute. You have a 1 minute time. Each of the teams have 1 minute to answer 5 questions. If you are unable to answer something, you can pass it on. There are no negative points for wrong answers. The past questions will be asked after the last question of the set, and a correct answer gets 10 points. So we will start backwards now. We will start backwards now with the last team. Para will be getting the first set of questions. Para, you will be getting the first set of questions, okay? And you need to tell us, Lionel Messi plays for Real Madrid. Is it true or false?
False.
It is the right answer. What was the result of the Brazil-Colombia quarterfinal match? Brazil-Colombia quarterfinal match, what was the result, the score? You want to pass it on?
2-1.
2-1, it's the right answer. There is an award being given to the best player in the competition of the FIFA. What is the name of that trophy or the award?
Miroslav.
Sorry, what is the capacity of the stadium at Fortaleza? Is it 76,000 or is it 67,000? You have two answers to make a choice, 76,000 or 67,000.
76,000.
It is a wrong answer. Name the captain of the Spanish team at the World Cup 2010 in South Africa. So the last question, the correct answer was Iker Casillas, who is the goalkeeper of the Spanish team, who was the captain of at the World Cup 2010 in South Africa. We have our friend here from South Africa who has watched those matches there and would vouch for them. The award for the best player is called the Golden Ball. It's called the Golden Ball. And the result of the Brazil-Colombia match, you said 2-1. So you had that right answer. And you had Lionel Messi playing for Real Madrid is a wrong answer. So you have got that right as well. The second set of questions now comes up to Shiroda. Shiroda, it is your turn now for the second set of questions. Wayne Rooney plays for Manchester City. True or false? It is false. Name the captain of the Netherlands team. Name the captain of the Netherlands team at the World Cup 2010. Name the captain of the Holland team at World Cup 2010. You have the answer or you want to pass it? You're losing on time otherwise. If you know it, you say it. Next question. What was the result of the Germany-France quarterfinal match? It is 1-0. There is an award to the best goalkeeper. What is the name of the award? Golden Glove is the right answer. What is the capacity of the stadium at Natal? Is it 43,000 or 45,000?
45,000.
Sorry, it is 43,000. So the captain of the Netherlands team at the World Cup 2010 was Giovanni van Bronckhorst. Giovanni van Bronckhorst was the captain of the Netherlands team that played in the World Cup at 2010 in South Africa. You had the right answer. You had the wrong answer. Wayne Rooney does not play for Manchester City, my friend. So you have finished with your set of questions. We now move on to the next set of questions that comes to Arpora. Arpora, it's your set of questions. You ready? Cristiano Ronaldo plays for FC Real Madrid. True or false? True or false? Say true or false. Cristiano Ronaldo plays for FC Real Madrid.
False.
It's true. What was the result of the Netherlands-Costa Rica quarterfinal match? You have an answer? Yeah.
1-1.
There is an award that is given to the team which has the best discipline in this tournament. What is it called? You want to pass on? Or you want... What is the capacity of the stadium at Salvador? 50,000 or 52,000?
52.
Sorry, it is 50,000. Name the captain of the Brazilian team of the World Cup 2010. You don't have the answer for that as well. It is Lucio, and the award is the Fair Play Award of FIFA given to the team with the best discipline. And that's the set of answers that you had a choice to give. Last team, and it is Aldona. These are your set of questions now that are coming up for you. Friends, Neymar Jr. plays for FC Barcelona. True or false?
True.
What was the result of the Argentina-Belgium quarterfinal match?
1-0.
That's right. There is an award to the highest scorer in the tournament at FIFA World Cup.
Golden shoe.
Golden Boot. What is the capacity of the stadium at Sao Paulo? 68,000 or 67,000?
68.
68 is the right answer. Name the captain of the England team at the World Cup 2010 in South Africa.
Wayne Rooney.
Sorry, it is Steven Gerrard. And with that, you have answered very well. I think they deserve a big round of applause for this wonderful thing that they have done. We are now almost come to we have actually completed the quiz, only waiting for the official scores to come up on screen for this event.
So Arpora, you'll have scored 30. Next, Shiroda, 33. Para, 38. And Aldona, 89. Really done a good job. All the teams, congratulations. Thank you for participating.
It's a voucher of rupees 3,000 to the Arpora team, which is from Nike. They are there because they are the fourth position place winners in this quiz competition. Thank you, Sir Katz. Thank you, Clifford. They have a prize of rupees 6,000, the Shiroda team. And thank you, Sir Anthony Putello, and thank you, Samir, for the presentation that you made to them. They are the team from Para, which gets a 9,000 rupees prize of vouchers from Nike for the second position, the runners-up in this event. And now may I call, thank you boys, may I now call upon our chief guest for this morning, Sir Derek Pereira. Will you please join the stalwarts here for the presentation to the winners, the team from Aldona. Boys, please come fast. And that's the prize of rupees 12,000 check vouchers from Nike for the team Aldona. Or 12,000 rupees.
I'm very happy that all my trainees have participated in the quiz, which was taken shape about 15 days back. And these were our 12 finalists. My dear youngsters, please keep abreast of all the happenings, of all the knowledge that is there to be taken into your minds. I'm very grateful to Prudent Media for partnering us in this, and we hope to have a longer association to disseminate knowledge to all football trainees, all youngsters all over Goa, and stimulate them to be in the thick of reading and acquiring knowledge.
We will now witness a footballer, a juggler, who is all the way come from Chennai to do a juggling act for us. And may I welcome Mr. Tamiz Mani. Can we put our hands together as he goes on? Can we put our hands together? He's removed his cap from his head. There.